In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple process will only take about 5 minutes, and it's an excellent way to organize your content strategy using tools you might already be familiar with. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a great place to start, especially if you're accessing it online through Microsoft 365. It means you don't have to worry about installing anything. You can just use your browser to do everything. Once you've found the Microsoft PowerPoint link, go ahead and open it. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that now. Use your Microsoft account credentials to access all of PowerPoint's features. If you're using a work account, make sure it has the necessary permissions to access templates and edit them. To make things easier, we're going to search for a social media content calendar template rather than creating one from scratch. Near the upper right side of the Create with Templates section, you'll spot a search button. Click on that and type in Social Media Content Calendar. After entering your search, you'll see various template options. Select one that fits your needs and click on Edit. Choosing from a pre-made template can save you a lot of time because it already includes essential components, and you can customize it to fit your brand's identity and scheduling requirements. Once your calendar is open in PowerPoint, it's time to customize it. You can change the background image by navigating to the Design tab. From there, go to Customize, and then select Background. You can apply your chosen background to a single slide or all slides, depending on your preference. Still, within the Design tab, you have the option to select a theme. Themes can offer a cohesive look across your calendar, applying consistent colors, fonts, and design elements. Now, to make your calendar truly yours, you might want to add various elements. Go to the Insert menu, where you can add text boxes, tables, pictures, and even videos and audio files. Furthermore, if you're inclined towards a more graphic-driven approach, you can add shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, and charts. These elements can help make your calendar not only informative, but also visually appealing. Finally, if you want to give your presentation a dynamic edge, consider adding animations and transitions. These can help capture attention, especially if you'll be presenting your calendar to a team or client. And that's it. You've now successfully created and customized a social media content calendar in Microsoft PowerPoint. By utilizing the existing templates and customizing them to your needs, you've created a powerful tool to keep your social media strategy on track. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.